There's a rooster on the rooftop crowing at the dawn. He wakes up the whole farmyard stretching with a yawn. The cows are in the pasture munching on the hay, and the sheep are bleating softly as they start their day. Oh, the country farm animals, big and small, they moo, they oink, they cluck and call. From the barn to the field, it's a happy sound. Country farm animals all around. The piggies roll in mud holes, tails curling tight. The ducks waddle to the pond, quacking in delight. The horses in the stable stomp and whinny loud, while the kitty on the tractor purrs and